Mitochondrial health is greatly linked to chronic diseases like cancer, and I'll tell you why. Let's first understand mitochondria. They are the powerhouses of the cell. They generate the energy needed to power cellular processes. Their job is to produce adenosine triphosphate, or ATP in short, by combining oxygen with the food we eat. However, mitochondria doesn't stop there. There are two other important functions. Number one, it plays a part in metabolizing or detoxifying the poisonous stuff that gets into our cells. Toxins can be things like excessive medicine, pesticides, or pollutants in the air, or even food we consume. Number two, apoptosis, or what is called programmed self-death. You may be thinking, isn't cell death a bad thing? Think cancer cells. Without the signal from the mitochondria, the cancerous cells continues to grow and wreak havoc. I would like to elaborate on the second point because it ties into chronic diseases, and I'll use cancer as an example. With the energy manufacturing process in the mitochondria, there will always be some byproducts or trash produced. And the trash in this case is called free radicals. So the more inefficient the energy production is, the more free radicals there is. These free radicals, as their name suggests, are like radicalized terrorists. They are looking to destroy anything in its path. If the free radicals attacks the nucleus of the cell, where DNA is stored, then it causes the cell to not function correctly. It can cause premature aging and also premature cell death. Or it can make the cell an immortal and it keeps proliferating, and that, my friend, is how cancer is formed. Now, you understand the process of how these free radicals are formed. Let's see what we can do to combat it. The antioxidants neutralize the free radicals to keep the mitochondria functioning well. Where can we find these antioxidants which are so important in combating the free radicals? Turns out our mother was right. Eat your vegetables and fruits. And we need to take into considerations the colors of the fruit and vegetables that we are consuming. Having a variety of colors will ensure that we are getting the whole range of antioxidants into our bodies. There are many studies to show that individuals who consume highest amount of greens and vegetables have the lowest rates of degenerative disease. There's another strategy in tackling this whole free radical problem. We can actually look at optimizing the energy production process to ensure that less free radicals will be produced. In the ATP generation process, there are three important cofactors involved. They are vitamin B2, B3, and something called ubiquinone. It is also known as coenzyme Q10. Briefly put, vitamin B2 is used to make FADH, vitamin B3 is used to make NADH, and coenzyme Q10 is important in the electron transport chain. By improving the amounts of these three cofactors, we can greatly optimize the energy production process, making the mitochondria perform like an engine on steroids, thus reducing the amount of free radicals. So where can we find vitamin B2, B3, and coenzyme Q10? The answer is red meat, and especially organ meat like liver and kidneys. Or if you're someone who doesn't take enough meat, supplementation can work too. But always aim to get majority of your nutrients from whole food sources. Alright, hope this video was helpful. Like, share, subscribe on your way out. Gary from Penultimate Performance, signing out.